Hi, I'm Aubrey at PIC Dental. I'm here today to show you what's new about the latest generation of the PIC system and how easy it is to give a boost to your PIC system legacy. This is the original PIC system legacy. It was released all the way back in 2009, making it the very first dental photogrammetry solution in the world for precise implants capture. In 2022, we released the new generation with everything we learned over the last decade: the new PIC system and the PIC system Gravity. These are two separate form factors, so you can choose the one that better fits your needs. What's new about them? They both have the next generation PIC camera with micron vision camera modules that improve precision. It is now protected by the grip, a removable handle and base that helps you hold it and place it on flat surfaces securely. They also look different. The legacy system had several separate parts. There was the PIC camera legacy on a mini tripod, the image processing unit, and a Microsoft Surface laptop. All these components had to be connected together. Anytime you wanted to store or set up the system, it meant connecting and disconnecting every cable again, and it wasn't very optimal to be dependent on all these connections in order to capture. We heard your feedback loud and clear, which is why both of the new form factors have an all-in-one design. The computer, the image processing unit, and a large touchscreen are all built in. The PIC system form factor fits everything into a single carry-on luggage-size case. To begin working, you open the lid, which has a built-in touchscreen. There's 3 compartments inside to store the AC power cable, the PIC camera, and even your PIC transfers to have them handy. In this form factor, there's only 2 connections to make. First, you plug in the AC power. Second, you take out the PIC camera and connect it. That's all. Now turn it on and you're ready to capture. The PIC system Gravity is made for dental practices with many clinical rooms where every second counts. It's the fastest and most comfortable option for when you need to set up, use, and store your PIC system multiple times a day. It's a single unit all on 4 wheels to make room switching faster. You can approach it chairside when you need it and roll it away when you don't. The PIC camera with the grip stays installed and always connected on the zero gravity arm. The arm takes all the weight, which makes it very comfortable to handle. You just guide the PIC camera into position during the capture, and of course, you never have to worry about dropping it. Another cool feature of the PIC system Gravity is called Quick Switch Power. You can just unplug it from AC power without turning it off. It will stay powered on because it has a backup battery for when you're changing rooms. You just plug it back in when you get to your destination, and you can keep capturing without any downtime. Both of the new form factors also include the new Pix Suite software. It's a completely new generation of Pix Suite designed from scratch. We overhauled the entire interface so that it is now much faster to set up, capture, and export a case. With Lightspeed Oddonogram, creating a new case is as easy as just a few taps to position your PIC transfers. The capture itself is also faster, with a new and improved instant capture measurement algorithm. And you can preview and change your scan markers before you export the PIC file at the end. In the past, Pix Suite Legacy used to run on an app on regular Microsoft Windows. This meant that the system could be affected by unexpected operating system updates or incompatibilities with third-party software. The new version of Pix Suite runs on PIC Platform OS, our own operating system implementation that boots directly into Pix Suite. It has faster performance, it's more secure, more stable, and the updates are seamless with no long interruptions to your work. Just in the first year since releasing the new Pix Suite software, we've already issued 8 updates to improve existing features and add new ones. If you're a customer, you can learn more about each one of them in the Pix Suite changelog article on our Help Center at support.picdental.com. The new Pix Suite was also made to be backwards compatible with the legacy systems, and most of our legacy customers are already enjoying the free upgrade that's included with all our support plans. The PIC system Legacy is no longer for sale, but it is still used every day by hundreds of dental practices and labs in over 27 different countries. So now that we have the new generation out, what happens to this community? At PIC Dental, we don't believe in planned obsolescence. So we decided to design these new form factors to be backwards compatible with the legacy PIC camera. Upgrading your system is so easy that it can be done directly by yourself at your practice. When you receive your upgrade, you just remove the mini tripod from the PIC camera legacy, install the new grip, and connect the camera to the new system. Your upgrade is done. With this form factor upgrade, you're getting a new, faster computer with a larger screen, the new Pix Suite software if you haven't been using it yet, and of course, all of the comfort and features of the new all-in-one designs. And the best part, because you can keep using your PIC camera legacy, you get all of those improvements at about a quarter of the cost of a new system. This literally means that a customer who has purchased the PIC system legacy all the way back in 2009 can today, over a decade later, upgrade it and enjoy most of the benefits of the latest generation at a great discount. We expect your PIC camera legacy to continue providing great performance for years to come. Today, it is still the most scientifically proven dental photogrammetry option with over 20 peer-reviewed studies published so far specifically about the legacy version of the PIC system. And with over 1 million successful clinical cases completed worldwide using our solutions since 2009, PIC system has demonstrated its unparalleled performance and precision to achieve a guaranteed passive fit. Thank you for watching.